In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a CRM. Start by going to Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, create a fresh board by clicking Create Board. This board will act as your simple CRM workspace, so give it a clear name like CRM Pipeline. Then click Create. Now set up the structure of your sales process using lists. Click Add List and create the stages you want to track. A solid basic setup is leads, contact, qualified, proposal, and closed. After typing each list name, click Add List again to create the next one. These lists represent the journey a contact takes from first interest all the way to becoming a completed deal. Keeping the stages simple makes your CRM easier to manage and much faster to update. Once your lists are ready, go to the Leads list and click Add Card. Enter the name of a contact or company, then press Enter. Each card will represent one lead, client, or opportunity. This is the core of using Trello as a CRM, because every relationship you're tracking lives inside one card. Click on a card to open it, and then fill in the description area with the important contact details you want to keep in one place. Add things like background notes, conversation history, or basic contact information such as email or phone details, making sure to keep anything private handled appropriately. Then click Save so the information stays attached to that contact card. Next, use Trello's built-in tools to organize the relationship. Click Members if you want to assign that contact to yourself or another team member, which is helpful when multiple people are managing leads. Click Labels to mark status, urgency, or priority. For example, you might use one color for hot leads and another for lower priority opportunities. Then click Due Date to set a follow-up reminder so you always know when to check in next and nothing slips through the cracks. As conversations move forward, simply drag the card from one list to the next. Move it from leads to contacted after outreach, then to qualified once the lead is a good fit, then into proposal when an offer is being discussed, and finally to closed when the deal is complete. This gives you a clear visual pipeline that helps you understand exactly where every opportunity stands at a glance. Open cards regularly and update the notes after calls, emails, meetings, or any other interactions. That habit is what turns Trello from just a board into a practical CRM. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You've now built a simple Trello CRM that helps you track contacts, manage follow-ups, assign ownership, and monitor deal progress in one easy place. The key is to keep it updated consistently because even a simple system works extremely well when you actually use it.